Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to practice exercise 1 from the topic addition and subtraction. We are going to practice addition of 4-digit numbers. In the first Roman letter, numbers have been arranged. We are going to write down the place values, then we have to add. Let us write the place values. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. These are the place values. Always we should start addition from the ones place, that is right to left. Here in ones place we have 3 and 7. If you add, you will get 10. So the first digit you should write down and 1 you should carry over to the tens place. Now add the tens place. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 is a 2-digit. Write 8 down and 1 carry over to the next place. Now add the hundreds place. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So 10, we are going to write 0 down and 1 we should carry over. Now add the thousand place. 4 plus 1, it is 5. 5 plus 6, it is 11. So this is the last place. So we no need to separate the number. We can write together. So the number is 11. Now we got the answer. It is 11,080. Now we'll move to the next question. Look at the next question. 7,777. And 3,333 we are going to add. So as I told you, write down the place values first. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Yes, now we have to start from ones place. 7 and 3, if you add, you will get 10. So write 0 down, 1 carry over. Now add the tens place. 1 plus 7, it is 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 we are going to write down. 1 is the carryover. Now add the hundreds place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 write down and another 1 carry over to the thousand place. Now add the thousands place. 7 plus 1, it is 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So this is the last place. So write together. Now we get the answer. It is 11,110. Okay children, now we'll move to the next question. Look at the second Roman letter. Here the numbers are given. We have to arrange the numbers first and then add the numbers. Now write down the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. So now arrange the given numbers. The first number is 7,081. 7081. Now the second number is 5,539. Write in the second place 5,539. So this is the addition symbol. We have to write before the second number. Now add from the ones place. In ones place we have 1 and 9. If you add, you will get 10. So 10 is a 2-digit number. We have to write 0 down. 1 carry over. Now add the tens place. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So write 2 down and 1 is the carryover. Add the hundreds place. 1 plus 0. If you add any number with 0, you will get the number itself. So the answer is 1. 1 plus 5, it is 6. Now we'll move to the thousand place. In thousand place we have 7 and 5. What will you get if you add 7 and 5? Yes, it is 12. So, this is the last place. So, we can write together. That is 12. What is the answer? Yes, it is 12,620. Now, we'll move to the next question. Here we are going to arrange the numbers according to the place values. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. What is the first number? 6,789. And write the plus symbol. Then write down the second number. It is 9,876. Shall we add the numbers? Yes. From ones place we have to start. Ones place we have 9 and 6. What will you get if you add 9 and 6? Yes, it is 15. So 15 is a 2-digit number. Write 5 down and 1 carry over. Now add the tens place. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7. Yes, it is 16. So 6 write down. 1 is the carryover. Now add the hundreds place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, it is 16. So write 6 down. 1 is the carryover. Now add the thousands place. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 9, it is 16. So write together because this is the last place. Now we'll write the answer. Answer is 16,665. Is it clear, children? Yes, now we'll move to the next Roman letter. The next Roman letter is the word problems. Listen, first we'll read out the question. Megan's parents bought a refrigerator for rupees 6,578 and a television for rupees 4,309. How much money did they spend? So here Megan's parents bought a refrigerator and a TV. So they bought two things. We want to find the total amount they spent. To find the total amount, we have to combine these two prices. One is for fridge, that is refrigerator, and the another one is TV. So we are going to combine this. How we can combine these prices? Yes, by adding we can combine these numbers. This is the word problem, children. So we have to write the statements also. What is the first statement? Yes, money spent for refrigerator. Money spent for refrigerator. What is the cost of a refrigerator? Yes, rupees 6,578. So when you are writing the amount, you should write with the rupee symbol. Look at the next statement. They bought a television. So we have to write money spent for television. Television is nothing but the TV. So the cost of television is 4,309. What we want to find? Yes, total money they spent. Total money spent. How we can find the total money? We have to combine these numbers by addition. Shall we add the numbers? Yes, before adding, write down the place values. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now add the ones place. 8 plus 9. What will you get if you add 8 and 9? Yes, it is 17. So write 7 down. 1 is the carryover. Now add the tens place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 0. If you add any number with a 0, you will get the number itself. So the answer is 8. Now move to the hundreds place. It is 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So now we'll move to the next place. It is 1000. In 1000 place we have 6 and 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is the last place. So we can write the numbers together. It is 10,887. So the answer is, they spent how much they spent? Rupees 10,887. So how much they spent totally? They spent rupees 10,887. Now we'll move to the next question. Look at the next question, children. A flight left New Delhi and flew 6,700 km to London in 8 hours 10 minutes. It then travelled 5,576 km from London to New York in 7 hours 20 minutes. What is the total distance from New Delhi to New York? We are going to find out the total distance. So total, this is the clue word of addition. Look at the question. A flight left from New Delhi. Okay, it is New Delhi. From New Delhi to London, it flew, and the distance between New Delhi to London is 6,707 km. And then it left from London to New York. The distance between London to New York is 5,576. So we are going to find out the total distance from New Delhi to New York. So in between we have London. We know the distance between New Delhi to London and London to New York. If you add these two distance, we'll get the total distance. So we'll start from the sentence. First statement is distance from New Delhi to London. What is the distance from New Delhi to London? It is 6,707 km. You have to write with the unit also. Look at the next statement. It is distance from London to New York. What is the distance from London to New York? It is 5,576 km. Now we have to find the total distance. How we can find the total distance? Yes, by adding. So we are going to find out the total distance. Write the plus symbol to indicate addition. Now add the numbers. Write down the place values first. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Add the ones place. 7 and 6. It is 13. So write 3 and 1 is the carryover. Now add the tens place. 1 plus 0, 1. And 1 plus 7, it is 8. So now move to the hundreds place. 7 and 5, you will get 12. So write 2 down and 1 is the carryover. Now add the thousands place. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, it is 12. So the answer is 12,283 kilometers. Now we'll write the answer. Total distance from New Delhi to New York. We have to find the distance from New Delhi to New York. Now we got the answer. So the total distance from New Delhi to New York is 12,283 kilometers. This is the distance. So we have to write the unit kilometer. Thank you children. I hope you all understood. We'll see you in the next class.